Fellas, do you often find yourself worried, anxious, and constantly trying to find ways to relieve your stress? Well, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be going over a 5-step plan that I've created to eliminate all of your stress. What's up, guys? I'm Ryan Palmer. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far. First things first, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment down below on things you might want to see me cover in future videos. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 simple steps anybody can take to eliminate the stress out of their lives like that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Stop procrastinating. Everybody procrastinates one way or another, but if you let school, work, or anything else in your life pile up on you, you'll get behind and you will be always stressing about getting things done on time. But if you get ahead, do things on time, if not before, you will already be in the lead. You won't have to worry about those things anymore. And you can start using that energy on more important things in your life instead of using it to be stressed out. If you get these things done, you will feel proud of yourself for being ahead of the curve. So stop procrastinating, get things done, and your shoulders will feel so much lighter. Step 2. Sweat more. Exercise is proven to not only reduce current stress, but prevent future stress. Exercising provides you with a quiet time you can spend alone, relaxing, just exercising, and relieving all that stress you have built up inside of you. And not only does it do this, it also makes you healthier, and it's proven that a fit person can handle stress a lot better than someone that's unhealthy. So start exercising, sweating more, getting rid of those toxins, and you will be well on your way to reducing the stress you have and preventing stress in the future. Step 3. Avoid difficult people. We all have those people in our lives, the ones that are difficult to be around, the ones that we see and we automatically feel overwhelmed just by their presence. They just add more stress for no reason. Half the time their conversations and interactions are not important whatsoever, and they just add to the burdens you have. So stop wasting time around these people. Kick them out of your life. Avoid them at all costs, and you will automatically feel a lot less stressed and worried because they are not there to add on to the stress anymore. Step 4. Live in the moment. Stop worrying about the past. You cannot change that or fix that at all. It's already happened. It's over. And stop worrying about the future. Start living in the moment. Enjoy things. Enjoy the food you eat, the people you're around. Enjoy nature. Because it's a lot more important to enjoy these things while you have them instead of worrying about future things that you could have. And trust me, if you take this time to enjoy the present, take it in, appreciate it, you will set yourself up to have a great future and a happy life. This one step can eliminate all of your stress, so make sure you live in the moment. And finally, step 5. Stop worrying about the things that you cannot control. Make a list of all the things you can think of that stress you out in life, a top 10 list, and then go through that list and circle all the things that you have no control over. And then erase them, because you have no business worrying about those things. You can't change them, you can't fix them, you can't do anything about them. So stop worrying about them. It is a complete waste of energy and time. And those negative thoughts and worries take up space in your brain where you could have positive thoughts, optimism, and other goals that you could be getting done. So eliminate the things you cannot change and only focus on yourself, the one thing you can change. So that is my 5-step plan to eliminate the stress greatly out of your life. Make sure to try these steps out and leave a comment down below if you found them helpful for you. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go follow me on Twitter and Instagram at I'm Ryan Palmer. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.